Hello students! So today we're going to be using a new tool and you're going to need a little help from your grown-ups. So grown-ups, thank you so much for helping. We're using this new tool so that we can actually build some things with our 5 frames. So grown-ups, this is for you. We're going to go into Seesaw and you're going to click on the picture for Build the Funny 5 frame. So click on the picture first and then you'll need to write down this code here because we're going to need it when we follow the link. So please write down this code and then you can click on this link. And now here we are. We've got some 5 frames ready to go. So you're going to click on this little key button and type in the code 475P HYA9. Okay, and then the assignment is going to come up. Ta-da! And this part your child can do after watching the video. So when your child is all done, they can call you over to save this. So I'm going to take away my camera for just a moment so you can see where I'm showing you. All right, so you're going to click the little share button with the arrow. And you can either save or copy the image. If it's easier for you to just copy it. I'm going to click save. And it's called My Number Frame. So now we're going to head back into Seesaw to put in the work that your child did. So now we can go back into Build the Funny 5 frame and click Add Response. Click on the camera, even though we're not taking a picture, but we're going to add a file. And upload. And now I'm going to find my number frame and put it in. And there it is. If you would rather paste it, you can just hit Control V and it should come in. And there it is. So either way works really well. This is a little bit of an experiment, so give it your best shot. If for some reason you can't get it back into Seesaw, just take a picture of it with your phone, and that will be just fine. So thank you for working with me on this. Now it is time for the lesson for your child, so they can come back over and we'll do the number frames together. Thank you. Okay, students, your turn. So now we're going to build some funny 5 frames. Now they're kind of funny because instead of being in order, like this 5 frame, see how all the reds are on one side and all the blues are on the other? These 5 frames are super funny. They're all mixed up, so they're a little bit more of a challenge. So before we start on building the 5 frames, I want you to do what we've practiced already and show me on your fingers how many. So I'm going to circle and you show me how many reds. How many reds? Show me on your fingers. Good. Okay. Now, how many blues? Show me on your other hand. Ooh, see, it's a little trickier. All right, we have 3 reds plus 2 blues equals a 5 frame, 5 altogether. All right, let's try the next one. Here we are. How many blues? Show me on your fingers. Did you say 3? Yeah, there are 2 here and 1 over here. Together, that makes 3. How many reds? 2, good. 5 altogether. Okay, let's go on to this one at the bottom here. Right here. How many blue dots do you see? Good, 4. There are 2 and 2 makes 4. How many red dots? Show me on your other hand. 1. There are 5 altogether. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Okay, now we're going to build them. So we are going to build together, and then you're going to get a chance to practice on your own. So let me get rid of my purple marks here, and we'll be ready to build some funny 5 frames. Okay, so we've got an example one. We see there are 4 reds. We matched them up, and then we put a red 4. And there is 1 blue right in the middle, and we matched it up, so we put a blue 1. Let's go on to the next one. How many reds did we see? Yeah, 3, but it's a little tricky. They're not all together. So let's build it down below. There was 1 here and 2 over here to make 3. But we're not done yet because we haven't made 5. How many blues do I need to add? You're right, 2. There are 2 blanks ready for my blues to go inside. Add my blues in. 1, 2. Okay, now I need to add my numbers or my numerals right up above. What number should I look for red? Can you write it with your finger? And then bring over a red 3. How many am I looking for blue? Good. Write it with your finger. Bring it over. All right, let's do the next one. How many blues are there? Show me on your fingers. 3. Good. Let's put our 3 blues in. 2. And 1 more makes 3. How many reds are there? Show me on your fingers. 2. Good. Let's put in our 2. So 1 and 1 more is 2. Okay, ready to draw? All right. So I would like you to draw with your finger in the air. How many blues do I need? 3. Good. And how many reds do I need? Draw it in the air. Yes, 2. Good job. Okay, let's build our last one. All right, show me on your fingers how many blues. 4. Good. This time there are 2 and 2 makes 4 altogether. So put in my 4 blues. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many spaces do I have left for my red? Show me on your fingers. 1. Good. And put my red in. Okay. I only have 2 numbers left in the middle. So can you write in the air, what number am I looking for blues? Yeah, 4. You know what? This 4 looks a little different, but it's good for us to be able to recognize it's a 4. That's not really how we write a 4, but we know it's a 4. And how many reds do I need? Good, 1. All right, we are all done. So when you finish this on your own, you're going to say, hello, I need some help, please. And your grown-up will take a picture to put it on Seesaw so I can see your amazing work that you did. Great job today. See you next time.